Well, hello everybody. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and well, we're in the DG neighborhood, and we're going to go on a field trip. It is the day before Valentine's, so we're going to go look for a last minute sweet deal and check out some instant savings. And you know you want to know. So come on and let's go on a shopping trip, and make sure you like the video on our way into the store. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, come on, we're going on a field trip. We do this a lot here at Crazee Country Couponer. And we're searching for deals, steals, glitches, free stuff. And, well, I always have awesome information. I get it from my crazy friends. Yeah. And, well, so you don't miss any of that, look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And that way we'll have another crazy friend. All right, everybody, just so you know, I truly appreciate you. And if nobody's told you today, you are absolutely awesome. Okay? Why? Because you're you. No matter who or what, you're special, baby. Okay? Definitely special to me because you're one of my crazy friends. Alright, guys, we're going to go in here. We're going to check out some sweet deals for Valentine's and see what we can get into. And we're going to talk about that Scott Instant Savings and how cheap we can go. So let's head on into the store. Please like and share the video. And please subscribe if you haven't done it already. Okay, guys, look. Brown dot, red dot home. Buy one, get one free. Let's have a look and see what we got here. We've got some shelves. We've got this little weekly planner, and it comes with the chalk.
A bag.
Now, of course, whatever you buy, you want to get what comparable value you can. All the blankets are brown dot. We've got some brown dot pillows. And we've got these big furry pillows that are brown dot that were $15. So you could get 2 of these for $15. And then we've got buy one, get one free flowers and accessories, good into the 15th. So if you want to dress up your patio a little bit, what is this one? Yep, accessories includes the pots, guys. So if you like these pots, things like this, and I tell you, put a candle in this thing. These are $10. Buy one, get one free. Get 2 of those for $10. Put candles in them. Beautiful. Now, we've done this price comparison before, but just so you know, 10.50, 18 equal 36. You would think that that's your better value because it's like a value pack. But cost-wise, no. And what you get per your purchase, no. Your better value is these 2 for $10. So you're going to pick up 2 of these. You got $1 off. And you got to spend $15. Now, if you just need TP, pick up 3. Get 3 for $15, and you're going to save $1. So that means you're going to get $4 off, guys. So $11 for 3 of these. All right. Versus 1 of those and 1 of these. Okay, just saying, more bang for your buck. Now, if you want to do the paper towels with that, it would be $10. No, it would be the same amount because your paper towels are $6.50. So you'd be paying approximately $11 for 2 rolls or 2 packages of Scott toilet paper and a package of Scott towels. So, instant savings up until the 17th. And of course, if you like the Scott 1000, well, you can use the Scott 1000 too, because the coupon is attaching to it as well. Okay, 25% off on your winter clothes, okay? We got those Sherpa jackets for the children and for women. Regular $15. They're brown dot. Are they brown dot? No, they're gray dot. Gray dot, okay? So they are 25% off. And it looks like we've got some of these other Christmas items also on sale. 25% off is where they have them at. Let's see what we got. We have got, oh, this is looking nice right here. $10 for this body care 6-piece set. 25% off. It would be $7.50 for this. I actually have part of this little set right here. $10 for this little set. Again, $7.50. If you carry a lot of jewelry when you travel, yeah, this is a cute little way to carry it. I'm not sure what bath confetti is, but we got some bath confetti. That was $2, bubblegum scented. It's for kids, so that would make it like $1.70. Okay, guys, there's not a whole lot left over here at my store for the Valentine's, but we're going to look at, well, the Hershey deal. The Hershey Hearts are $6 a piece. We have this one, and then we have the Reese's. And they're both attaching to the 3 off of 10, okay? But the Hershey, these things right here, they're on sale 2 for $6. They are attaching to the $9, 2 off of 9. Okay, and they're on sale for 2 for $6. So, and they're regularly $4 a piece. So this is a decent sale, the 2 for $6. So 4 of them is $12 on this, and you would get $3 off. So you'd be paying $9 for 4 of these. Okay. Or, if you need a Hershey Heart, in case you got somebody special, these are 6. This is 4 if you just purchase one, so you're at 10. That's going to give you $3 off, okay? That means you're paying $7 for 2 items. Okay? Now, the other way you can do this, since you don't have, a coupon for this other item, you could pick up something like these right here. Okay, the little hearts, little Hershey Hearts. You can pick up that. Ooh, I did not see these down here. We have some of these still. And we have one Hershey Heart. Okay, let's check out the Hershey Hearts. Okay, the Hershey's Hearts does not connect to any coupon. So, they're out. These 2 items right here are $10. You'll get $3 off, making them $7. So, that's about the best sweet deal that I could find, guys. It's the day before, no big sales. So, that's probably going to be the best that you can get. Now, let's get back to our sales here. We got baskets. Buy one, get one free. So, if you need to hide some stuff, well, these are the best way to do it. And also, y'all see the basket deals they do on the Christmas tree, that they go underneath the tree? You see something like this right here? Straight white. Perfect for that, okay? Perfect for that. straight gray, like this one inside here, perfect for that. So, if you thought about putting your Christmas tree in one of those decorative baskets, just come get you one of these. I mean, it can be as elaborate or as simple as you want. We've got these right here, just straight up rattan baskets. We got yarn baskets. We got these shallow, large print tote baskets. I need a shallow one, but I need it more like this right here. But I need it shallow, and I need it, I think, a little bit bigger than that. So I'll continue to look. I would rather have something like this, but again, you know, that's too tall. That's what I have now. So there you go. Buy one, get one free. Your rugs, buy one, get one 50% off. So like I said, guys, keep watching that clearance stuff, because here in a bit we're going to be having a clearance sale on those items that are on your clearance aisle. Got a lot of new pet stuff. They've even got birthday party stuff for your pet. So yeah, going a little above and beyond. Oh, what we got here? This is something new. $10, not bad. Yep, I think it's mine. That's actually a pretty decent price. Okay, look, we've got a new Gain flip, guys. Bleach alternative Gain, $3. That's a pretty decent size. It looks a little on the thin side, but... Oh, look, they're setting us up. They got all kinds of Gain stuff here together. They set us up for that little deal, I think. Alright guys, we've got a bounty glitch. We got a 50-cent coupon attaching to the dollar bounty. So we're going to get a glitch deal. And it's going to be a chicken dinner deal, because we're going to pick up toilet paper, paper towels, and trash bags, all for $2.50. That's right. That's right, my Nomad pals. $2.50. Or my single folks. Or my senior folks. Those of you who don't have a lot of room or don't need much, this is a deal for you. Okay, $2.50 for Scott toilet tissue, Bounty essentials, and Gain trash bags. Now, if they do happen to have the Charmin roll of Mega, which I do not see, then it could even be cheaper, because you would get an additional 50 cent off, because I think the 50-cent Bounty coupon, or Charmin coupon, is attaching to that dollar Charmin. So yeah, guys, winner, chicken dinner deal, $2.50 for trash bags, paper towels, and toilet paper. So there you go, guys. Things we find when we go to the store. All right. This is going to conclude this field trip. We got this awesome glitch deal. And we explored a Valentine deal. And we talked about some instant savings. So, all in all, a really good field trip. And I'll see you back again next time, because we're coming back and we're going to explore that gain, double dipping, maybe triple dipping deal. And you know you want to know. And I'll see you then. Blessings.